n-tier application in Jakarta server pages. Now we are considering here n-tier application. We now move on to look at the architecture based on the dispatcher n-tiered approach, where a servlet or JSP act as a mediator or controller, delegating the request to JSP pages and Java beans. We will look at the mediator view, mediator composite view, and service to workers architectures. In an n-tier application, the server side of the architecture is broken up to multiple tiers, as illustrated in this figure. In this case, the application is composed of multiple tiers, where the middle tier, the JSP interacts with the back-end resources via another object or enterprise bean component. The enterprise bean server and the EJB provides the managed access to resources, support transactions, and access to underlying security mechanisms that addressing the resource sharing and performance issues. The two-tier approach. This is the programming model supported by the Java 2 Enterprise Edition platform. The first step in n-tiered application design would be identifying the correct object and their interactions. In other words, the object modeling. This is the part of the where the class diagrams and tools like rational rows step in for architects. Quite often a line has to be drawn as to what object need to be modeled. Being over serious can cause unnecessary complexity. If you get this part right, you are halfway there. Here you can see tier 0 browser on client. Tier 0 browser on client interacts with the JSP or servlet's client request and intercepted here via request and response. Here the JSP or servlet client request are intercepted here is inside tier 1. JSP or servlet's client requests are intercepted here, interacts with EJB Java beans. EJB Java beans are inside tier 2, and here EJB Java beans interact with database in tier 3, and here the EJB Java beans interact with EJB via a remote call. Here the EJB Java beans interacts with the remote object. EJB and remote objects are inside tier 4. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.